Alleged illegal activity caught in Tokyo in broad daylight.
Where is my golden book building? Move your ass. My big ass is going to trouble in the traffic and I shit all over your body and your face and your eyes and everything you touch and I love you so much and I'm sorry that you're going through this but I just can't do anything about that because I'm just trying not having any more stress and I'm trying to be sexy. It could be worse.
This is super illegal in Japan.
De la carretera. Oh no, a drone following Cash. Killer bots.
Dude, no, that's so sick.
Lol.
This is so illegal too. You're not allowed to fly drones in Tokyo. It's with the, yeah, you made a left move.
LMAO.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
It's not Japanese. Maybe it is, I don't know. Oh my god, dude, what the
For a morning jog.
No, you can't fly drones. It f***s with the,
I'm calling the Koban BRB.
It fucks with the radio bands in Japan. Like 5 gigahertz bands are completely.
Is it really illegal?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
really?
Yes. Go look up.
1 hour later.
It's hyper illegal. I got that in 4K. Illegal drone flying in Japan can result in fines of up to 500,000 yen, or approximately $3,200, or up to 1 year imprisonment for just flying a drone in Japan. Yeah, police can immediately seize or destroy drones violating air laws. You know, there's actual traffic. That's the wild part. That had that drone following him like within a 10-meter radius, and there's traffic that goes up and down that street, including myself, right? So, though I'm not gonna snitch on him, it's just crazy to see something like that. It would be the equivalent of me finding someone with drugs just like casually smoking a joint on the street. That's about how serious it was. That's the legal repercussions for it, right? This is a complete, like, this whole city is complete no fly, like no exceptions.